Sam's surprise party. Sam's birthday was coming up, but he didn't expect a party since his family had just moved to a new town. He missed his old friends and felt lonely. On his birthday, he was feeling a bit down when his mom suggested they visit a nearby park. Reluctantly, Sam agreed, thinking it was just to pass the time. When they arrived, he was surprised to see some kids from his new school holding balloons and shouting, "Happy birthday, Sam." His parents had planned a surprise party with the help of his new classmates. Sam's heart filled with joy as he realized he wasn't alone. They played games, ate cake, and laughed all afternoon. Sam learned that change could bring new friendships and happy surprises. He felt grateful to have such caring friends and family.